romanticizing the perfect picnic basket.
This cleaning gadget can do many different things. If this is your keyboard, the puller removes the keys and the nylon bristles will get rid of the dirt and can be used to sweep 3 rows at a time. The sponge will clean your charging case, the metal tip will remove all of that gunk that has built up over time, and the mini brush will have your AirPods looking new. So, is this something you need or don't?
This little thing right here can turn any hollow object into a speaker.
It uses vibrations from the bottom to resonate in hollow objects.
And from what I understand, the larger the object, the louder the sound gets. So let's test it out, smallest to biggest.
Here are 3 of my newest Amazon home finds, starting with this decorative box because I personally think remote controls are such an eyesore, so I use this as a way to hide them. I really love the neutral tones of this. It reminds me a lot of mother of pearl tile, but more muted. This wooden pedestal was honestly one of those purchases where I just bought it because I like the look of it, and at first I had no idea where to use it because it can be styled in so many ways, but I went the simple route with a candle on top and I'm really liking it. I've been looking for a good set of drinking glasses for bar and everyday use, and I found these really cute hobnail glasses that feel really sturdy and are a good dupe of the Pottery Barn ones.
Laundry gadgets you need or don't. This premium quality shirt is stitched into comfy pajama pants and comes with pockets and bathroom access so you can work comfortably from home. This blanket has magnets you can iron on top of your washer. This laundry guard prevents clothes from falling on the side for any front-loading machines. This dock prevents any of your socks from being lost and keeps them all together. And this portable washing machine connects to your faucet, will not only clean your clothes but will spin dry them as well.
Actually, we did do a review on that microwave thingy. Check this one out.
Amazon products you just might need.
Where we check them out so you don't have to. If you're tired of your microwave looking like a scene from John Wick, then we have a solution. This microwave splatter cover keeps the microwave clean and keeps the steam contained for more even reheating. What we really love is the built-in magnets that allows you to store it in the microwave staged for its next mission. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon, so get you one.
This is the burger holder. It is adjustable to fit any size hamburger. This gadget is perfect for keeping your burger together, mess-free, and eating when on the go. Cute things I got from Amazon that I probably didn't need. Part 5. The first thing I ordered was this super cute dog plant pot. It's basically just a regular plant pot that's extra cute for your succulents or whatever plant. I'm always buying new plants, so this is definitely going to come in handy. While I was shopping, I also ordered this ice lolly maker, but it's extra cute because all of the ice lollies are different animal shapes. I've never actually owned one of these and I've always wanted one, so when it arrived I was so excited. But all the molds are silicone, so the lollies pop out so easy and they're so cute. The third thing I picked up was this compact towel that expands in water. I used to get these as a kid all the time, so when I saw it I just couldn't resist. And the last thing I ordered was this Minecraft pig money box. I am such a big fan of Minecraft, so when I saw this I just couldn't resist and I am so happy I bought it.
Back with another Amazon favorites. This portable charger is so cool. It magnetically charges your AirPods and your cell phone at the same time. Its foldable design saves space on your desk and makes it portable for on the go. You can charge your phone at an angle, which means you can watch while it's charging. It comes in several color options to match your decor. You'll find it linked in my bio. Like and follow for more.
Amazon Home Decor finds versus reality.
These are my non-stick sheet pan dividers that allow you to cook so many different things at once. You're able to use the dividers how you need, which also allows you to easily put things in one at a time when they're ready and take things out when they're done. Plus, they come with lids so you can use these like Tupperware, and they're even dishwasher friendly.
Bestsellers on Amazon for the month of May. With summer almost here, I'm not surprised this was a big seller this month. This is a patio table that also doubles as a cooler for your drinks when you lift the top. It can hold up to 40 12-ounce cans and is perfect for those backyard barbecues. And these disposable popsicle molds are perfect for customizing your own popsicles for your kids, or you can make your own adult popsicles for yourself. And this silicone toilet brush cleaner continues to be the #1 seller month after month as it dries much faster than and is more hygienic than a plastic bristle toilet brush. You all loved these waterproof LED solar powered deck lights that spruce up any outdoor patio area. This stain remover continues to be the top seller as it's the best spot remover for clothes, bibs, carpet, furniture, upholstery, you name it. It gets everything out. The Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer was a huge seller as well, which leaves the skin looking matte and poreless for that flawless finish. This pack of 2 spoon rest holders that also have a spot to hold your pot lids from dripping all over your counters. And these sneaker erasers that just need water to get the soles of your shoes clean. Everything's linked in my bio under Amazon May Bestsellers.
Summer gadgets you need or don't. Anyone else hate when you can't find a cold drink? This gadget takes in any can and when sprinkled with ice will take your drink for a spin and have it go from warm to icy in exactly 1 minute. This cover can open up cans to protect them from bugs. These will protect your wine. And this soda dispenser flips bottles upside down so you can drink Coke on tap.
Amazon price need for 295 of 300. This is a middle finger decanter. It's a hilarious design that communicates without any words. It's a great gag gift for someone you love. Amazon price need for 308 of 400. This is a rooftop car cargo carrier. The carrier provides 15 cubic feet of car roof bag. It's 100% waterproof and extremely durable. This is the only way to road trip.
Sharing my favorite recent home finds from Amazon. I originally got these for our guests, but ended up using it for myself. This is a carafe that I keep on my nightstand so that there's always water in my room the cup also acts as a top to keep it fresh overnight. This mirror is a great gallery wall filler, and it has the prettiest ornate details. It kind of gives me antique vibes. Meet Diana. She is the best that is currently sitting on my desk. I need more of these because I love decorating with them. This frame is one that if one of your friends said, "Where is that from?" and you said an antique store, they would believe you, but it was Prime shipping. I never liked our traditional shower caddy, so I got these acrylic shelves. They stick to the tile with a really strong adhesive and are really easy to clean. This art light is battery powered. It's really pretty to highlight any piece of art or a picture. Love a classic coat rack. This one is sleek, simple, but holds coats. And last but not least, this fitted gold bowl that can be used practically or just to style a bookshelf.